Hi everyone, my name is Ruth Prendes, also known as Instructional Designer Ruthie. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Pac-Man quiz with Class Tools. Class Tools is a website and an excellent resource to create interactive quizzes to add to your e-learns. It adds an element of gamification to make your e-learns interesting and fun. So let's get started. So here we are on the website. It's www.classtools.net. And although it looks really busy, I really encourage you to look through all the resources because it does have a lot of great tools. But for now, we're just going to go to the Pac-Man tool right here, and it transforms your test into an arcade game. You can share the link with your students and embed it onto your website, blog, or wiki. So let's start and click on it, and it'll take you to... I do apologize for the feedback, but as you can see, it greets you with a little Pac-Man theme. Now there are ads because we are using the free version, and you can go premium here to get rid of the ads. For now, we're just going to use the free version, and we're going to click on here to create a new game. Here it just has a recap of what it does, and the best thing about it is that it collects data for you and collects your highest score from your students on the leaderboard. So our quiz is going to be called How Well Do You Know Ruthie? Ooh. And if you hover over the help button, you'll see what you need to do to create your quiz. And I can give you a rundown. It's basically a minimum of 10 questions, but as many as you like. They have to follow a certain format, and each question should be placed on a fresh line. If you hover over the example, you'll see how it needs to look like, which is basically question followed by an asterisk, followed by your correct answer, followed by asterisks in between all the incorrect answers. You don't need to put 3 or more incorrect answers. You can only put the correct answer, and the website will fill in all of the incorrect answers for you. So let's try it out, and I'll paste my quiz that I've already created. And it's basically all my favorite things, but you can see here that some are only filled out with the correct answer, and some of them have all the correct answers and incorrect answers filled in. So let's see what happens. I'll need to create a password so I can edit this later. So let's do Ruthie as my password. And it creates a unique link for you. Successfully saved, yay! So I'll click OK, and it'll take me to my quiz. And here it says, how well do you know Ruthie? It tells you it's 10 questions, and here it gives you a preview of what kind of questions are there. This is your unique link that you can copy and paste wherever you want, so that anyone you want to access this quiz can just click on this link. You can actually also play all of these other games, but for now we're just going to play Pac-Man. So here I need to answer this question correctly before moving on. And the question is, what's your favorite holiday? So this is one question where we did not fill out all the incorrect answers, so it doesn't make sense. There's no holiday called Westender or It. These are all answers to other questions that we have, or incorrect answers to all the other questions we have. It's very obvious that the only answer here is Halloween, so this question would not be very challenging to your students. Let's click on Halloween, and it'll take you to Pac-Man. And your students can play Pac-Man for as long as they want until they die. So when you die, you go back to your quiz, and you have to answer 3 more questions correctly. So what's my favorite food? This is another one where we did not fill out all the incorrect answers. So obviously my favorite food is not purple, it's grilled cheese. What's my secret talent? Now in this question, we did fill out all of the incorrect answers. So it makes sense that I might have a secret talent that's dancing, but it's singing. So let's click on that one. And then here we have my favorite game, and all of these again were filled out when we did our quiz. And so let's just answer it incorrectly to see what happens. So the game is over when you answer a question incorrectly. It provides feedback on what is the correct answer. So my favorite game is actually Pokemon. And I'll enter my name here to get on the leaderboard. And here's the leaderboard. I'm the only one who has done this quiz, and there's my high score, but it does collect all the high scores within the hour. So if you click continue, you'll go back to your homepage of where your quiz was at, and they can play as much as they want and do the quiz as much as they want. So that's it for this short tutorial. I hope you learned something new and valuable that you can use in your future e-learns. Thanks so much for watching.